What should I name you? You look like a wolf.
Puppy madness.
Alright, all puppies alive, please. Aw, your puppies are doing good.
Once upon a
Before I know you like making the walls, but if you don't, I'll give you some treats.
Anyways, once upon a time, there were 8 puppies,
Ah, yes.
and their names were Sigourney.
I was very proud. I was very proud of that one.
Yeah. Anyways, once upon a time, there were 8 puppies. Their names were Sigourney, Stacy, Jack. Wait, what?
Did you seriously forget the name?
Oh yeah, it's Mia. And Mia, and Minnie, and Sarah, and Sue, and Woofer.
Ah, yes. Anyways, I have to go. I'm gonna go shopping with my friends. So you guys are going to be under Byron's care. Is everyone excited?
The puppies were being so nice and gentle with Dave, but with Byron, all of that is soon going to change.
Woofer, I love you doing that trick. Okay. Well, who wants to play with me? Aw, good CC.
Woofer just learned how to side hop, and Dave loves it when he does that.
It's basically I do it with you. Well, I can't. I don't have any feet.
Darn. You don't even have hands.
Exactly. Anyways,
How do you grab or walk?
turtle magic. Next scene.
Anyways, Byron was just coming home from a peaceful walk with Alpha Pup.
He was about to knock on the door.
Alpha Pup! No! Alpha Pup! Daddy's coming!
Sorry, I need a minute. Okay. When Dave asked Byron to pet sit, Byron thought it was going to be 2 puppies, which is why he brought Alpha Pup, so they could all have fun.
Dave, how many puppies am I supposed to puppy sit?
You'll see. Come on in.
Okay.
Right as he got in, he was shocked but knew he shouldn't have said anything to see about 8 puppies.
Oh my goodness, in the name of dogs!
What? Aren't they all so cute?
I actually never knew I had to take.
Just listen. Anyways, my friends should be arriving any second. So, bye. How do you say that again? Dave in a false started. Wait, how do you say this? How are you paid? I just always work you, okay? Anyways, how do you say the name?
Byron.
No.
Oh yeah, Sigourney.
Okay. Anyways, my friends will be arriving soon. So bye, Sigourney. Bye, Cece. Bye, Jack. Bye, Mia. Bye.
Minnie.
Bye, Minnie. Bye, Sarah. Bye, Sue. Bye, Woofer.
Woofer was the tallest puppy in the group, even taller than Alpha Pup.
Yeah. Such all nice puppies.
Oh.
Anyways, I'm gonna give you some quick heads up, Byron.
Wait, what?
This is food,
Okay.
nutrients,
Mhm.
sleep. You just inject them and they go to sleep. But don't go like this. Dance! That way they will have 10 times energy.
Oh.
Please make sure nothing is destroyed. This is my special rope. If it does break, you will be charged with $50,000.
$50,000.
Yes, it's very cool in right now. It works as a bow up.
How much money does it cost?
$50,000.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
I'm charging you $50,000. And my most prized possession as a crocodile. The Donkey Kong statue. This is worth $100 million if anybody puts a paw or a safe finger. I'm snatch. Yeah. Shut of $100 million. Got.
Got it.
Anything.
Oh my goodness.
This is also a transportation.
Listen, are you sure I need to take care of all those puppies at once?
Hey, I'm a busy crocodile. I have to have something to do in the meantime because sometimes studying for my next test is boring. I decided to take the whole pet shelter.
Why did you take the whole pet shelter with you?
I mean, look at them. Aren't they so cute? Look at Cece. Look at Sarah. And especially Wolfer. He's my favorite.
I am
If
actually.
any happens to Wolfer, you will pay $100.
$100.
It's a lot cheaper than the other prices. Be happy it's not $1,000. And also, that's it. So, hold on a sec. I need to get something. Puppies, don't move. Mom, not Mom. Dad is gonna be right in a second, so don't move, okay? Of course, they follow Dave's orders. Byron started talking to Alpha Pup in the meantime.
So, Alpha Pop, we are going to teach you some brand new tricks. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Okay, let's get started. Backward tail wag.
What are you doing?
This is how he wags his tail backwards, and this is how he wags it forwards.
Oh. Okay. Well, anyways, I think my friends are here. Oh, look, they're coming out right now. Look, I went to the carnival. And I got this clown eye. Wendy, Falcarofi, I think that's a clown nose. Yes, I know, but I don't have. My kid nose can't fit. So I use it as a clown eye. Doesn't that basically just make it where you can't see as well? Yes, but it looks cool.
This is so ridiculous. Who would wear a clown nose on their eye?
I'm starting to think I need some new friends. But that's fine.
Listen, children. Clown noses on your eyes is impossible to wear.
I want
Okay?
one. Wendy is her real name. Wendy, you are designed for Ike. Oh, yeah. Come on, just go. No, wait, Sage came. She did? I did. And I bring a gift for the new puppy.
Yeah.
Whooper! He knows how he's excited. Oh, that's so cute. I can't do it though.
It's called side hopping. I can't do it either.
So cute.
Watch. Ow.
You're just doing a half roll.
Ow.
It's so cute.
Just try to. I fall
Anyways.
over.
Anyways, Woofer, I got you a new chew toy. Even though it doesn't squeak, it's nice to chew on. And it's a hard material, so you can't tear it, and you can even hold it.
Darn.
Oh, so cute. Well, anyways, what the? Yes. Where is the yogurt drink? Oh, actually, it's right here. Don't you think it's a bad idea to topple it down the stairs? No, of course not. Anyways, come on, Dave, let's go. I had to say bye one last time.
Oh, Dave. Dave?
Bye. Yes.
Say bye.
Bye.
Sigourney.
Yes. Bye, Sigourney. As you can tell by Dave to say bye to everyone. Bye, Cece. Bye, Jack. That Sigourney was Dave's least favorite because Dave always kept forgetting Sigourney's name. Bye, Sarah. Bye, Minnie. Bye. No, that's Mia. And that's Sarah. You guys look too alike.
No, this is Mia, and this is Minnie, and this is Sarah, and this is Sue.
Sarah and Sue.
And Woofer.
Anyways, have a nice time. Byron, if you can take care of all my puppies, don't worry, they're not a lot. They're little angels. Of course, Byron believed this because they hadn't made peep all day. They're little angels.
They are very cute.
You will get $100.
Yay.
But if anything happens to Woofer, you will get paid nothing because the $100 you would have gotten will be going for a Woofer.
Oh,
Got it?
goodness. Yes, I got it.
You have 3 responsibilities. Nothing gets broken, especially not my statue. Don't tear the rope. And Woofer has to be in best or as is condition.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Okay. And we're going. Byron is just so confused.
I'm so confused.
We're going on the $500 transportation service. I mean $50,000 transportation service. Whee! And just like that, they were gone. They all gone. Just like that, they were gone. But as Byron turned around, he immediately, instead of seeing this, when he turned around, he saw the puppies all over the place. With Woofer doing this so harshly, he almost snapped his broke his toy in half.
Oh my goodness! What in the heck of dogs is going on? I thought you are little angels.
And Woofer kept going to sleep, so he also had to make sure that none of the puppies touched Woofer.
That was close. You could have gotten hurt. Hey! Don't stop so hardly. Don't chew your toy so much. Guys, not Dave's statue.
Alpha, of course, Tails was wagging really fast, and sadly, Byron knew what that meant.
Oh.
He was joining in on the fun too.
Alphaba, I have told you this a million times. You are my puppy, and I own you, so you should know what to do. And what is going on here? Why are you two sitting next to each other.
Then Byron remembered that they were best friends. So then he just watched their little handshake. Where is it?
Yeah, it's here.
No. And then they just casually were playing patty cake. Byron was happy 2 of the puppies were taken care of, but now he had all the other little puppies to take care of.
Hey, puppies, don't mess around. Ow. My eye. Ow.
They were tossing like this and that.
Hey, careful.
Mia was probably the most calm. She was just playing some ball.
Oh, good little Mia. Now, if you'll excuse me, Byron just has to take care of some orders. So stay exactly where you are. Now, yeah. You need to learn some important responsibility. Ow! My tail! Ow!
Oh, I want to get a new toy.
Time! Hey, do not break James' statue. It costs $100,000.
$100 million.
Oh yeah, it costs $100 million. Sigourney, no, Sigourney, bad puppy. That's it.
Mia went up to Byron.
Did you better?
Oh, hi.
Can I have a bath?
Oh yeah, of course.
But then, right as Mia got into the bath and Byron started washing Mia, all the other puppies wanted a bath and lined up right behind him. But somehow they lined up in a straight line.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ow! What?
And then he saw all the puppies waiting for a bath.
Why are you all here? I thought you're supposed to be playing.
They all screamed at the same time that they wanted a bath.
Fine, I'll give you a bath. But quickly.
But when the first puppy got in and started washing, one puppy cut the line. Which was Jack cutting in front of Cece. And Cece got mad. And accidentally bring the other puppies into it, like Sue. And then, what's her name?
Sigourney!
Sorry, Sigourney. And then, Sarah. Wait.
Yeah, that is Sarah.
Sarah, to the point where when Byron finished, it looked over, all the puppies were in a big bundle of fire.
Oh my goodness!
He decided to feed them.
All right, feeding time. Eat all the food you need. Here you go.
They were finally happy.
Hey.
But then they all tried getting in the bathtub at the same time.
The bathtub is too small. No, don't even spill the water on the statue. You hear me? Do not even spill the water on the statue. You got it? You hear me?
Hey, what's that? Ooh, it's a rope. Dad!
No! Puppies, do not tug on this rope.
Oh, okay. For once they listened. But then, of course, all the other puppies want to tug on the rope. But for once, something actually got on his way for Byron. Alpha Pup accidentally stepped on Woofer's new toy and fell right where the puppies were about to go through.
Alpha Pup.
For once, Alpha Pup was confused why he was being rewarded for falling.
Dun, dun. But it was actually because it's blocking the way so that the puppies can't get to the rope.
Then the puppies gave up
Ah.
And started doing their own thing, which was sadly making a mess of the house. Right as the bathtub was about to spill, luckily Byron saw this.
Oh no! There you go.
But when he looked around, all the other toys and things were all over the place. Well, casually, Minnie and Mia were just tugging on this little koala. That is how Minnie and Mia thought everything was outside. I like this toy. Me too. But how everything was actually going outside, however.
Dun, dun. Puppies, please turn it down a little. Ow, my groin. Oh, that's funny, isn't it?
The puppies loved laughing at Byron.
Ah. Here, go ahead and play with your silly heart balloon.
Then he decided maybe it was time to give the other puppies some food, which were only Mia and Minnie.
Time for feeding, Mia and Minnie.
Thank you. And he also needed to feed them vitamins, so he was the first one to feed them. They were the first to get vitamins.
Here, you need to eat your vitamins.
Thanks. I hope you get those to the other puppies. They're probably super calm right now.
But then the other puppies didn't like the vitamins and tried running away from them. Puppies! Sorry, I got a little
Choked up.
yeah, choked up. You need to take your vitamins! It'll help you grow up big and strong. No, it's not playtime. It's nutrition time. Come on, here are the vitamins. You have to eat them. You have to eat all of them. Here you go.
Of course, they disagreed.
What? Listen here. If you eat all your vitamins, I'm going to let you play with the green ball as much as you want.
They didn't. Byron was giving up. But
Yeah.
then he realized if he put the food vitamins in a big bowl, if he first put if he first put the vitamins in a big bowl, not all the way, and he filled the rest on top with the food, they might think it's just food and they'll eat it, which was actually for once something good that Byron did. They all immediately started eating it, and the bowl was licked clean. But then, of course, another problem came. They wanted more food.
You want more food? No, you've already ate all the food.
That wasn't actually the reality. It's just Byron knew that if they had any more food, they'd be so stuffed, and because they already ate twice their normal amount of food today.
You already ate twice of your normal puppy diet. You're going to be so obese by the time you eat all the food in the bag.
So obese.
Yeah, it's another term for overstuffed, you know?
Yeah. No, obese is like you're overweight.
Yeah, overweight. So, puppies, if you do not want to be stuffed, stop eating food until some time has passed, okay? I know you're hungry, but food can wait until later.
But then Woofer and Alpha Pup said they were hungry. And of course, Byron, knowing they hadn't had food at a time, gave them some food. Which of course made the other puppies super angry.
No, puppies! Do not eat the food.
He remembered how to scare them off. And then he started giving them a new thing to play.
Here's your ball.
Oh, can we
Okay.
patch around?
Yes.
But then Byron heard some noise outside,
he excused himself.
Ow! If you'll excuse me, I just need to go take care of some things.
Of course.
What is going on? Why are you throwing your heart balloon at me? That is very rude. Ow!
Byron realized the door was left open and the water was spilling out of the bathtub onto the street.
Oh, I know. That's not good. Ah! Phew, the doors are locked.
And then he realized now the house is filling up. So he opened the doors. But then he realized he should have just turned off the bathtub. So he turned it off. But now, luckily, there wasn't any in the room where Mia and Minnie were playing. There was water in the house. So everyone was splashing all over the place. It was drying up, though, which Byron was happy about. But right now, all the dogs are about to shake.
Dogs! Do not even think about shaking. Ah! Ow, I'm so wet. Ow.
And then Byron shook, which made them wet, which made them shook. And Byron decided it was time for another bath.
Ah, it's time for another bath. Come on. Into the bath.
This time he used the vitamins to keep them in line.
Don't run away. It's your bath time. But puppies tried to go without seeing the vitamins, but they could resist. Now, puppies, this is not vitamins at all, okay? These are just lies to help you get to your bath safely. Darn. Yes. Now, who is going first? Do not tell me no one is going first, because if I hear that, then you are... Okay, Sigourney, you can go first.
Sigourney didn't take long to bathe.
All right, all clean.
Thank you.
Be calm. Be patient. I'm getting your bath ready now. Jeez. Oh.
Can you help me play?
And then Woofer started playing some really loud music.
He turned up all the way.
Woofer! Woofer!
Every puppy gathered around.
It's time for your bath, not dance time.
Everyone, even Mia and Minnie, gathered, and this was such great music. All the pups started dancing.
Pops, are you crazy? You need to take your bath. Woofer, stop playing that music. Woofer! Oh my goodness. Now listen here, Woofer. You have had enough of this. Do not play any more music. I said don't play any more music.
But then he looked and saw what he was doing.
Oh my goodness.
Woo! Go Alpha! Woofer!
No, Woofer! Don't put your nose on that statue! Woofer, can you please put it down? That's a bit loud! Pops! for your bath. All right. Quick march, eyes front. Hop, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 2, 3, 4. There you go. I said go to the bath.
But I already took a bath.
Oh yeah. Hufflepuffs, you need to take a bath.
They already took a bath and they didn't get wet, so they just went back and they started playing.
All right, you guys are filthy. You really need a bath. Come on, let's bring you in the bathtub. No! What are you doing? You literally spilled the water. Oh no, not on Pistachio.
Luckily, the water didn't spill again.
Ah, phew. The water did not spill.
But little did you know, Sigourney, did I say that right?
Sigourney.
Sigourney had stolen the sleeping and vitamin stick.
All right, I'll just get back. Hey, what? Where are the sleeping and vitamin sticks? Sigourney! Let go of the sticks! This is not a drumming session! Those are not drumsticks!
Sigourney explained how she
Yeah.
how she usually how she usually drums, but her sticks broke, so Dave is buying her new sticks without realizing the fact that she hit Byron.
Ow! Sigourney, that's a bit loud. Can you please turn it down? Oh no, don't even think about it.
He was getting a song that Sigourney could do.
No! The ball! Now listen here. You stop playing the music. It's too loud. That's it. I'm turning the volume down. There we go. Much better.
All the pups except Minnie and Mia came over and were cheering. Cece, you took a bath by yourself.
Oh no! Oh.
Thank you.
That's too loud! Please turn it down! That's it. I'm pressing your nose. Ow! There. Yeah. That's it.
Get it!
Fine, I'll turn it back on.
Sigourney was Queen Bee/Leader.
Listen, Woofer, I appreciate that you love music, but it's too loud in here. Can you please turn it down? That's even louder. Oh no, Woofer! Woofer! Ow. Woofer, how dare you?
Keep buried down in the backyard. E-I-E-I.
The pups were cheering on.
Woofer!
Do we have to hear a song?
Why can't you lift yourself up? You're so heavy. Go on. There we go. Ooh, that's fun. It's too loud, Woofer! Ah! That song is too loud. Please turn it down. Not up, down, down. You know what down is. You should know. Oh my goodness.
My naughty dog just ate my stew. My blue suede
Woofer!
ate my stew. He could not stop it, just one do. He did so many things right through. He ate my stew, my yo-yo stew, my clay kazoo.
Woofer, stop making that noise. I tell ya, if you keep making those no. Thank you. Ah, so relaxing.
Sigourney whispered something in Sarah's ear. Sarah took the heart balloon and started popping it over and over again. Byron went over and started taking care of it, which let rock and roll music. This sounds like good music. Can you put on some nice, relaxing music? Oh, yes.
Taco, I kick you on bone. E-I-E-I-O. Keep furry done in the backyard. E-I-E-I-O. With a ho-ho here and a ho-ho there. Here, ho there, ho everywhere, ho-ho.
Rock and roll! Finally got the situation finished. He looked over, saw Cece playing, not Cece, Sigourney playing the most difficult notes ever go above.
Oh my goodness!
And Woofer playing someone up the volume.
Woofer!
My drumming stick!
It's not a drumstick!
It was the sleeping
Get that ball! Sigourney! I told you!
I didn't drop it.
I know, but you should get it because it fell down. Oh, actually, never mind. I can get it. It's there. Ow.
Where's Byron?
Sorry. I just went to go grab the pink ball. But now I think I went a little too far.
Time for a rock and roll concert.
Oh no! Must get back inside. Ball here. Hey, Woofer. This song is a little bit loud. Woofer. Don't even think about playing rock and roll music. Woofer! How do I stop you? There you go. No song.
Then Sigourney started playing a song.
Sigourney! This drum set is pretty loud.
It was one of the songs that Woofer could play.
Oh yeah. That song is too loud. Can you please turn it down? Ow! Ah! Ow! That's very rude. Ow. Let's get back inside.
Then Sigourney just casually starts taking a nap.
Where's Sigourney?
In the bed.
Oh. Well, I guess Sigourney's taking a nap. The song is still playing though. So Woofer, if you can please stop hollering for a second. Thank you. Now listen, Woofer. Oh. I just discovered that these strings can stop the music. Sorry, I'm feeling a little. Please stop. Woofer! You need to stop playing music that loud. Otherwise, I'm not going to concentrate on taking care of all of these ruckus puppies. Hey! Puppies! Byron is just trying to do his job. You naughty pup! Oh, great. Woofer! Stop playing the music! Stop the music! You know what? That's it. Stop! 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 Woofer. You need to turn the volume down. These puppies. Sigourney is taking a nap. If you play too loud, Sigourney might wake up and destroy everything in the house.
Not knowing that Sigourney, when she's tired, goes into deep sleep.
Sigourney! Please stop snoring so loudly!
But Sigourney was in a deep sleep, so Byron just tried blocking her out by trying not to focus on her noises.
Maybe Woofer's noise will block it.
Dogs are our best friends. But you're loyal to me.
She was asleep.
Finally. Puppies, stop attacking me. You should be in bed. Puppies! Listen. You either have two choices to make. You either not go to sleep and be very grumpy in the morning, or you can sleep and be very fresh in the morning. And you can play with your ball and silly heart balloon as much as you want. Now make your choice. Hey, no! Do not go outside. It is not time for a walk. We need to play indoor games, kiddos. Woofer! Stop playing the music! Woofer! Puppies, stop! You're crushing my hand! You're crushing my hand! You're crushing it! Ow! Byron! Kids, taking care of pups requires lots of responsibility. Only professional dog sitters should do this. Ow!
There was a live text. Hello, this is Dave speaking. This is actually a voicemail. I just wanted to let you know, Byron, I'll be home in about 5 minutes with my friends. And if there's anything bad that happened to Woofer, you aren't getting paid. If they aren't all asleep, you also aren't getting paid. And I better not see
jump by walls. Also, the bath has to be in the exact same place. If you have the choice, I don't mind. Thank you.
Oh man. All right, puppies, time for bed. Hey.
The puppies didn't want to sleep.
Okay. I'm gonna go grab a sleeping stick.
But then he accidentally injected them directly, which made them 10 times more energetic.
Wow.
At first, they were like, and about to doze off.
Oh, they're asleep.
But then, it would start off with Jack and ended off with Cece. They all started doing this.
Oh, I know. Puppies! No, not pistachio! Oh man, this is all my fault.
He ordered off Alpha Pup to go and hide the statue.
Right. Alpha Pup, do not touch the statue, but at least hide it, okay? You're a good dog, Alpha Pup. You naughty puppies! You need to go straight to bed! Now, come on. Eat your food. Now, come on! Into bed!
Then they had too much energy. He decided it was time to call Dave. And asked, how long did it take for the puppies to calm down when they're injected directly? This is Dave speaking. Who is this?
Byron.
Oh, hey, Byron. What's up? Is everything okay?
Yes. Oh!
Anyway, so why are you calling?
Yeah, I just want to know, the puppies are not directed anyway.
You're
But-
just curious?
Yeah, I'm just curious. How long do the puppies settle down when they're injected directly?
With the sleeping stick?
Yeah.
About 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah, it's really shocking. To
But
me-
you're coming home by 5 minutes!
Yeah, so you said you were just curious. But
I'm not getting cut off of this, am I? Alright, puppies!
he decided it was time to put them to sleep once and for all.
It's time for bedtime. Once and for all!
He decided
Kids, seriously, you should go to bed. Alright, puppies!
he put plastic wrap around it so we didn't get hurt and he didn't have to pay the fine. But he took the fuzziest part of the rope and immediately put them to sleep. But now he doesn't have to find the rest of the puppies.
Where are the rest of the puppies? Come on! Hey, you naughty puppies. You need to go to sleep.
He tried catching them, but they were just too quick.
3 minutes before Dave gets home. Oh no! Puppies! Warfare! Don't play the music! You're gonna make them even more energetic.
Well, luckily, Wilfer wasn't shot directly, so he shot him gently and he went to sleep.
Finally. Now, anyways, back to my job. 2 minutes before Dave comes home. Oh no! 1 minute before Dave comes home. Oh man.
30 seconds before Dave gets home.
30 seconds! No!
15 seconds before Dave gets home.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, oh no, 4, oh no, 3, 2, 1, 0.
But then Dave was running late. Sorry to inform you, but Dave is running late. Please wait for the next around 2 to 3 minutes.
Oh, phew.
He had extra time to make sure everything was placed perfectly. But little did Byron know that he forgot to bandage one singular tiny cut on Woofer.
Oh no!
But he thought it was just something that he got on his face.
Yeah, it's just something he got on his face. He'll be all right.
not knowing that it was a scratch, and soon he wouldn't get paid. But of course he didn't know that. He gave him his little brush.
Now, here you go.
All the time.
1 minute before Dave comes home. Oh no!
And then he was ready.
Oh yeah. I mean,
10,
9, 8, 7, 6,
6,
5, 4, 3,
2,
Judy. 1.
Hey, what's that?
Dave, why are you wearing a clown nose?
Sorry, I just found it at the carnival. Oh, look, Rufus is sleeping. No, Alpha Pup. Are you ready to go home? Are you ready? Oh, look, all the puppies, they're nice and sound asleep. You didn't inject them directly, did you?
No.
Good. And luckily, because he used saran wrap, the rope wasn't damaged. Oh, look, this looks as good as new. Ah, my beloved Woof.
What?
There is a scratch.
It's okay. It's just something on his face. He'll be
He
all right.
is my favorite. No. You have now earned nothing for your work. Goodbye.
Oh. Ow. Ow.
You can just walk out, okay? Byron was just falling down while Alpha could just happily walk down.
Luckily, Dave fixed up the scrape, and it was all better.
Good. Now, you know, plushie.
But Dave was still mad that Byron did not even bother to fix the scrape.
Guys, you come on in. Oh, that carnival was amazing.
But then they saw the bandage.
They even have refills on the frozen yogurt ice cream. What did he do? He made a scratch. A scratch? That is unacceptable.
So Dave, why didn't you pay him $100 if something was happening to Woofer?
Because he was going to get paid $100, but if something happened to Whooper, he would have to pay $100, meaning he would have gained no money or lost any money.
Oh. She told Valgroby to see it.
Valgroby! Oh, look at little Whoopers.
Darn!
This is unacceptable. I know, right? Yeah. I mean, at least they had refills of the same exact frozen yogurt ice cream. Oh my goodness. I'm really starting to think I'm gonna need another second friend group.
Darn.
Why? We're in your second friend group. Yeah. A third one. Yeah.
It was a lot of hard work, but Byron's work paid off.
Not really. He didn't get paid.
Well, yeah, it didn't really pay off.
Did
But it at least paid off to his best efforts.
He tried his best, and that's what matters.
Kids, you might as well subscribe to the channel. I am so bruised right now, I need to go to the vet.
Byron was mad that he didn't get paid. Kids, make sure that you still pay someone for their work. The reason that they didn't get paid that Byron didn't get paid this time was for the sake of the video. Make sure to always pay someone if they do something nice for you.
Darn.
Well, if it's something that they should pay for.
Exactly. That is so generous. Kids, you need to learn the importance of generosity. And